Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So let's head towards today's topic. So soon, Microsoft Excel is going to provide its checkbox feature across its production environment, right? So these checkboxes were very helpful in preparing checklists, managing the tasks, or visualizing your data at a glance, right? So within a few clicks, checkboxes makes our spreadsheets very more dynamic and user friendly. So even though earlier we had a checkbox feature under the developer tab under the form controls. It it was a very lengthy and a tricky way to insert a checkbox because we had to place the checkbox within a cell and format it properly. But now what Excel has provided is an easiest way. You can directly select a range of checkboxes you want and you can just go to the insert and select the checkbox feature, right? So once you add a checkbox across all the cell ranges, you can do the check and check as you would do earlier, right? So when this feature is going to be available to answer this question, so Microsoft Excel has already begun its rollout on June 26 across Windows and Mac desktop, right? And as per the update, it should be available by end of July 2024 to the all users. And on iPad, iOS, and Android, Microsoft is going to begin its rollout very soon, right? So this is all about a quick update on providing on introducing checkboxes in Excel, right? So if you like this video and if you want to be updated on Microsoft Excel, please do share and subscribe this channel. And thank you.